I'm going to show you guys how to play Fade Into You by Mazzy Star. First I'll show you the chord progression because it's really easy, and then the slide. The chords are A, E, B minor. Now if you have a loop station or a ditto looper pedal like I have, you can have the chords playing along in the background, or you can just play the song in the background while you're practicing the slide part. For the slide part, you're going to play the 3rd G string to the 9th fret, play the 1st string under it on the 9th fret, 7th fret on the B string to the 9th fret, back to the 7th fret.